In this video, we've chosen not to use any in-camera apps to alter the sound, and we've done no changing of the sound post-production either. You could use both of these things to improve the quality and consistency of the sound if you wanted to. If you were making a video about how to grow orchids or how to operate your favourite coffee machine, how would you like the sound to be? Would you like it to sound like this, which to us is a little boomy and we don't like that sound at all? Or would you prefer it the way we had it before, which we think sounds a lot better? What you need is a lav mic. You can plug these directly into the older model phones. With the newer phones that have the lightning ports, you're going to need a Trrs adapter, and you're also going to need the iPhone lightning adapter. So here we've got the setup, we've got the lav mic, we've got our Trrs adapter, and we also have the lightning adapter. And now we're ready to film. So this is the sort of sound you can expect to get from a smartphone, including the iPhones, if you're using the built-in microphone. We've now got the lapel mic connected, and you'll notice that the sound is much clearer and it's not as boomy, and you're also missing out on some of the background sound, which is great if you want to do voice recording while you're filming. The only problem with the lapel mics is if they're connected by a cord, you need to be close to the phone. But there's a way around that as well, and that's by using the Rhode Filmmakers Kit. The Rhode Filmmakers Kit consists of a wireless receiver, and we need to attach that to something with the phone. So we're using a Manfrotto Pixie tripod, which has an attachment at the top. The kit also has a wireless transmitter, which you attach the lav mic to. And here we are way down in the garden, and we're transmitting with the lapel mic, plus we've got the wireless adapter here. And that's it. You too can improve the sound on your iPhones, or in fact any other smartphone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll be back with lenses, battery backup, and tripods that you can use with your smartphone